innovative airframe has a number of key benefits, both in the front-end design, the installation, and then in the clinical outcomes that it delivers.
We wanted to offer up as much innovation and value add to the project as we could. That's why we chose to offer that up to our client Health Infrastructure as a project innovation, being the first airframe to be installed in Australia. The mounts for the pendants are integrated into the frame itself, clearing the way above the airframe for other services. With the integrated lighting, with the integrated connections for medical gas and ductwork, it means that on one day when you're installing in an operating theatre, you have fewer trades trying to coordinate on site. That reduces a risk profile from an installation perspective.
The physical installation of the airframe is much quicker, so from an installation perspective it is superior than a traditional operating theatre.
I was shocked at how quickly airframe went in. It was a very fast install. Airframe was up in the ceiling inside 3 hours.
And the air filtering system in Theatre 15 is absolutely fantastic. We don't actually see any diathermy smoke. It disappears somewhere. You know, in the past, when you actually even walk past the theatre, you can actually smell someone operating and using diathermy. It means all the staff is, and the patient and the anaesthetist and the nursing staff is breathing all this smoke. And there is lots of evidence in the literature that with smoke particles we can have the live DNA of a patient, so there's a high risk also of infection transmission.
In the airframe study, we compared 3 operating rooms, one 26 years old, one opened in November without airframe, and operating room 15 with airframe. The airframe was far better in the air exchanges and the reduction in the smoke hazards. The integrated lighting in room 15 with the airframe system allows for a clearer, more visual aspect for the surgeon during the surgical procedure.